What's up, YouTube? I'm doing a quick video on this Holley High Flow Horsepower Series main body. I never used one of these before, but always heard good things about them. But a customer of mine ran into a problem, and I'm going to try it out and let you know how it works out. This is his factory main body he had, and he purchased his car from some guy. He charged him a good amount of money for it. It's supposed to be all ready to go. It's $850, and he's putting on a 468 big box Chevy. Anyway, I go over to tune the car for him after he got the motor installed, and he's having major problems with the idle. So I just went over the valves, well, he wanted that done anyway, and then I started playing with the carburetor, and it had the typical lean thing going on where, you know, up and rise, up and down on the RPMs. So I did the old school carburetor spray check, and sure enough I found a leak around the base plate. But the funniest thing is that wasn't the problem. Yeah, these carburetors like cast aluminum, and like you can see little casting flashes like right along the edge here. This is all normal, but what his problem was, this casting flash right here, actually somehow he developed a crack, and I ran all the way down to the base here. You couldn't really see it with the naked eye, but I took some pictures with my phone actually and then expanded it, and then you can see it pretty clear. Well, I put those pictures in this video. Here's the new Holley HP series main body, and it's pretty nice, well constructed. Don't have to worry about no casting. It's all machined aluminum billets, let's say, and they claim 25 to 50 horsepower. I don't know about all that, and it seems a lot, but hey, if it's true, that'd be sweet. And if it works out good, I'm gonna buy one of these for myself. Yeah, focus. Yeah, this one for a Holley 850, and the swap / install is pretty easy. Nothing to it. They give you all the gaskets and everything you're gonna need. And if anybody wasn't aware, this side here where you see the Holley and like the 850, that's gonna go on the side where your throttle linkage is. But other than that, it's a quick swap. You can see with this kit, they give everything you're going to really need. Little instruction sheet if needed. All your gaskets, the good blue gaskets. The gasket go between your main body and your base plate / throttle bodies, technically now. They give you new jets, washers that's going to go around your bolts. And actually you get the right jets, because this car had 70s in the front and 86 in the back. I mean, crazy behind jetting, but anyway, I'll be able to get the car back the way it's supposed to be for the guy. Then I guess I'll probably end up going there and starting it up for him, but I'll let you know how it works out. Like I said, pretty simple. First step you're gonna do is you wanna put the supply gasket on. Then you wanna position the main body on the base plate. And you got 6 screws on the bottom you have to attach and tighten. Then you want to apply the supply gasket for the metering block. Alright, here's a quick shot of the finished product. Not bad looking here. Originally the customer gave me this throttle plate to use, but stuff didn't really line up right. I don't know what kind of brand it was. I wasn't crazy about the manufacturing. A lot of crazy movement. Accelerator pump arms didn't line up right with the accelerator pump cams, and all kinds of crazy stuff. So I just put the original plate back on there, which worked fine before. And like I say in the picture, I showed you the crack. So we're good now. Let's know how I make out when I put it on this big block and see how she runs. Alright, YouTube, once again, thanks for viewing. I'll probably do a follow-up video after I put it on the car. Ultimately, that's when it's going to matter the most anyway. But you know, as normal, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for viewing again. Yeah, by the way, a quick shout out to my nephew. He has a channel, you should check it out. That boy is savage. He do a lot of those backflips and all that kind of crazy stuff. But anyway, he's gonna be a future hot rodder. Go check his channel out. That boy is savage. Another young YouTuber, I want you to check his channel out, is Jay Plays. He's gonna be a hot rodder one day. Check his channel out. And also Saw Dude. Check their channels out.